Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files to phone via DJI MIMO on the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. So if you want to transfer your videos or photos from the gimbal to the phone, I'm going to show you how to do it. So first off, we need the DJI MIMO app. And then after you have the app downloaded, make sure that you pair it to your device. So if you click on the camera icon in the middle, it's going to search for your device and it's going to ask you if you want to connect to it. Make sure you have the gimbal enabled though. So let's click connect. And if you're doing it for the first time, it's going to ask you if you want to join the Wi-Fi network. Make sure to join that. And it is going to get paired to our gimbal. So we gotta just give it a few seconds. And there we go. We are now connected. So now let's take our gimbal and record a short video that we are going to transfer as an example. So I'm just gonna flip the camera around so we know that it's the actual video. Okay, there we go. We have 9 seconds of footage. 8 seconds of footage. And now all we need to do is just connect to our camera. Click on the little icon on the bottom left, and it's going to show us all of the videos that we have on the device. So there we have this video. And here, as you can see, it is pretty much the same video, also 8 seconds. The camera also shakes around. And now what you can do is just click download on the top right to download this video to your Photos app. So if we go back to our Photos app now, we can click, and the last video saved is going to be our video. And it's that easy. You can do it with pretty much any sort of media that you have, or any sort of file. And it's pretty straightforward. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.